Hello everyone, I'm Smita. Here with a new topic human tongue. Welcome to Smart Div. Know your body more with fact and tips. What does this video contains? What is tongue? What does tongue made of? Parts of tongue. What does the tongue really do? Interesting fact about the tongue. Conditions and treatment related to the tongue. Health tips. To know interesting fact about your tongue, watch the video till the end. Are you ready to explore tasty world? So now, what is tongue? Tongue is a muscular organ in the mouth which is covered with a moist pink tissue called as mucosa. Tongue helps us to perceive the taste and texture of the food we eat, assist you to create speech while talking, and is vital to start digestion process. What does tongue made of? Human tongue is 3.3 inches for men and 3.1 inches for women. It consists of 8 interwoven striated muscles that can move in any direction, making it quite flexible. The tongue muscles are voluntary structure. There are 4 extrinsic muscles which are attached to the bone, that is hypoid bone, which is unique and not connected to any other bones of the body. These muscles allow tongue to change position such as poke out, retract, side to side movement. There are 4 intrinsic muscles which are not attached to any bone that allows tongue to change shape like point, roll and tuck, etc. Throughout the muscle are glands and fat, while the outside is covered by a mucous membrane. Parts of the tongue. The tongue is a voluntary muscular structure which occupies the floor of the mouth. It is attached by its base to the hypoid bone and by a fold of its mucous membrane covering called the frenulum to the floor of the mouth. The superior surface consists of stratified squamous epithelium. The bottom of the tongue is smooth. It is purple color, comes from many blood vessels that run along the bottom of the tongue. The root of the tongue is the bottom part of the tongue that can't be seen. It has arteries, bundles of nerves, and muscle that branch out to the rest of the tongue. Tongue mainly consists of epithelium, muscle, and glands. Epithelium has papillae and taste bud. Taste sensory organ is tongue and sensory receptor are taste buds. Rough, bumpy structure which is visible over the tongue is not taste bud. It's a papillae. Taste buds are not visible to naked eye. There are 4 types of papillae. Papillae contains taste buds. The 4 types are fungiform, filiform, circumvallate and foliate. Taste bud has taste cell and support cell. There are 3 main salivary glands that are parotid, submandibular and sublingual, which are serous gland which produce serous fluid, mucous gland produces mucus and seromucous gland. Parotid gland present at the inner surface of the cheek, submandibular gland present on the floor of the tongue, sublingual present below the tongue. Until the food is moistened by saliva, taste receptor cannot actually taste the food. The digestive process starts in your mouth. When you chew the food, saliva is produced and moistens the food and also it has an enzyme which break down starches and fat in your food. Enzyme is called as amylase and lingual lipase. This is the image which shows the parts of the tongue. Papillae, fungiform. They are broad flat structure at the anterior of 2/3 of the dorsum. Filiform. They are fine cone shaped scattered over the anterior 2/3 of the dorsum, that is in the central portion. Foliate. They are short vertical fold and are present on each sides of the tongue. Circumvallate. They are located at the base of the tongue. They are large and round. This is the image which shows papillae. It is a kind of finger-like structure. Now what is taste bud? They are tiny sensory organ housing taste receptor cells. These receptors are also found on cheeks, palate, lips and back of the mouth. It has taste cell and support cell. Each taste bud has 50 cells. Diameter is 0.03 mm. Length is 0.06 mm. Taste cells are slender, rod-shaped with the nucleus in the center. Some believe certain parts of the tongue can only detect one specific taste. But this is a myth. The fact is, taste buds across the tongue respond to all type of taste. There is no mapping of tongue. Average adult has 10,000 taste buds, which is replaced every 2 weeks. An older person may have 5,000. This is the image of the taste bud. Tongue also has touch sensors to identify texture. Every tongue tastes each kind of taste, but some may not like some taste. For example, some are more sensitive to sour lemon, but some like it. What do you like to eat is based on your tongue. Human tongue changes as people get older. The tongue becomes less able to taste food. Smell and taste are interconnected, which influences how we react to the food. Common taste are sweet. Organic substance such as sugar, alcohol, aldehyde, ketone, amide, etc. Salt, sodium chloride. Bitter, organic substance containing nitrogen, that is alkaloid, coffee, dark chocolate, poison, medication, etc. Sour, like lemon. Umami, savory taste like mushroom, cheese. When you eat food that are spoiled or gone bad, our sensory organ detect it and send signal to the brain, so it helps to avoid eating them. What does tongue really do? Mastication. Tongue helps us in chewing the food. Deglutation. It helps to swallowing the food. Taste. The tongue helps in tasting the food by sending signal to the brain through neurotransmitters. Speech. It is an important organ that facilitates speech. Flexibility and movability enable you to speak. Without it will be tough to pronounce. The tongue is essential for articulating the consonants like T, D, L, R. How taste is detected? The food we eat is masticated by teeth, then mixed with saliva. When we chew it, the molecules in the food begin to dissolve and diffuse into the taste cell, and this cell generates action potential, which send impulse through neurotransmitters, which is traveled to the brain through nerves, and the flavor is detected. Saliva is needed to moisten the food. To detect the taste, in case of diabetes, you may have less saliva, causing dry mouth. Also, the diabetic person may have tongue coating, which lead to suppression of the taste bud. So, proper oral hygiene is needed. Need to drink lot of water and rinsing of the mouth after each meal is necessary. Now we will see some of the interesting fact about the tongue. Tongue comes in different shape and sizes, which has differing number of taste buds. The tongue print is unique as fingerprint. Tongue is the only muscle that is not connected to the bone. On average, women have shorter tongue than men. Taste receptor cannot actually taste food until saliva has moistened it. Taste buds that die and regrow about 10 to 14 days. Tongue is not the strongest muscle in your body. It is one of the most sensitive muscle. A healthy tongue has pink shade. Change in color of your tongue is related to your health, which indicate abnormality. Taste bud can also be found on cheek and lips. About 2/3 of tongue is visible, remaining 1/3 is not visible. The part that is not visible is close to the throat. COVID-19 doesn't directly damage taste bud cells, according to the study which found that taste loss is likely caused indirectly by event induced during inflammation due to the disease. 90 words are produced in a minute with 20 movements of tongue. Tongue also has touch senses which identifies texture of food. What you like to eat is based on your tongue. Your tongue tastes food because of genes and culture of your childhood. Food taste help people to remember home. Conditions and treatment related to tongue. Oral thrush. A poor oral hygiene lead to this condition. It is a yeast infection where bumpy white patches appear over the tongue. Treatment is proper oral hygiene and antifungal medication. Geographic tongue. It is a patchy appearance which looks like a map, where reddish spots appear and loss of papillae may happen, which lead to loss of taste, may be partial or complete. It is a harmless condition. Gradually, it will be healed by itself. Glossitis. Inflammation of the tongue. Sometimes, tongue may swell up. Treatment is oral hygiene and corticosteroids. Canker sore or mouth ulcer. Small, yellow, white sore due to food allergy or mouth injury or stress. Treatment is often mouth rinsing and anti-inflammatory medication. Neuralgia. It happens due to damaged nerve, maybe because of aging, diabetes, tumor or infection. Tongue swelling due to cancer, anemia, injury or allergy. Tongue cancer, cancer of the tongue. Treatment is chemotherapy or surgery. Some other conditions related to the tongue are pain due to inflammation and minor infection. Difficulty in moving tongue may be due to an injury to the nerve or muscle of the tongue. Change in the ability to taste. Burning sensation due to hormonal changes like menopause, allergy, nerve damage or complication of dengue. Hairy appearance over the tongue due to radiation or smoking. What does the changes in color of the tongue indicate? Bright pink, deficiency of folic acid and vitamin B12. White, smoking, drinking alcohol, hepatitis C or allergies. Small blue or black patch due to fragment of dental amalgam filling material which contains silver. Pale, due to iron deficiency anemia. Red, inflammation, deficiency of vitamin B3, that is niacin. Purple, heart problem and poor blood circulation. Blue, poor oxygen circulation in the blood. Yellow, smoking and chewing tobacco or jaundice. Grey, peptic ulcer. Who treats tongue conditions? ENT specialist, dentist, oral surgeon, neurologist, oncologist. Health tips for healthy tongue. Avoid very hot food or beverages. Brush your tongue daily along with your teeth. Use tongue scraper. Consume sugary and acidic drink in limit. Drink plenty of fluids. Don't smoke. Limit intake of alcohol. Regular dental checkup. Healthy diet which has iron, vitamin and mineral like green leafy, seafood, poultry, chopped onions, garlic, ginger and coconut. Monitor your tongue color. Why do you feel food is less tasty when you are affected with cold or flu? Because our immune system fight against these infections which may block our sinuses. Since the sense of taste is closely linked to the sense of smell, with specialized nerve ending in the nasal passage, unable to send full range of information to the brain. The subtleties of taste are gone. Only bold flavor can be recognized like saltiness and sweetness. What happens in case of COVID-19? Researchers have recently uncovered the reason. It's rather than congestion, as with the cold or the flu. Here the virus could directly invade the nerve cells associated with your senses of smell. Because smell and taste are interconnected, it's a consequences of loss of smell. So this is all about human tongue. Hope you enjoyed the video. My upcoming video is about human blood. Thank you for watching Smart Div. If you like this video, please click like, share to the maximum and don't forget to subscribe.